Hello and welcome to Beginner's Tutorial. My name is Claudio and this is CryptoChain, the channel where I do cryptocurrency news, reviews, demos, interviews, and blockchain games reviews. And in today's beginner tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can avoid being scammed on Telegram by following some simple steps and making sure that all the details are correct, and not only on Telegram but also on Twitter or other social media sites. And this may actually help you a lot because so many people have been actually scammed in the cryptocurrency space on Telegram doing over-the-counter trading simply because they didn't pay close attention to one little detail and they've lost a lot of coins, a lot of tokens. We've seen a CEO recently from an unnamed, I'm not going to name, cryptocurrency project which also got scammed because he believed a scammer on Telegram and he actually lost a lot of coins as well. So you got to be very careful to these details. It may seem silly, but people still get scammed. So just something to keep in mind. And in this video, I'm going to explain to you what it's all about and how you can actually prevent that from happening to you. And we're actually going to take a look at Telegram's group. OTC Switcho Community is the name, which is actually a legit group for over-the-counter trading. And what is over-the-counter trading? Well, if you have a specific coin or a token which is not on any exchange yet and you want to trade it with somebody else who may be interested in buying it, you can do so by posting an ad to say that you want to sell it for X amount of other coins or tokens, and you need an escrow, which is a third-party person, usually an admin from some other group, which has decided to help in this specific group and is listed as an admin, of course, to conduct this trade and to facilitate it for you. So basically the way it works is you actually have to send the coins or tokens to this admin, and then the other person also has to send their tokens or coins to the admin, and then the admin swaps them around and charges a small fee, be it 1% per person or 2% per person. It all depends on the group. In this specific case, I believe it's 1% per person. I haven't actually used the group in quite some time, but I do know the admins. I do keep in touch with some of them. I've known them for some time because back in the day they used to be doing OTC for the Neo blockchain when there were all those ICOs on Neo and all those tokens that weren't listed on any exchanges, and people just wanted to buy them ahead of time in the hope that the price will go up when they get listed on an exchange. And if you're not sure what an ICO actually is, do check out the video on the top right hand corner there that should pop up, which I've done explaining what an ICO actually is, and of course IDOs, IOs, and also STOs. So yeah, basically some of the things that you need to keep in mind here, and this is very simple to understand, but you know, you could miss it out, is when conducting a trade on a group like this, all you have to do is basically put a message out, right, that says I want to sell X amount of coins or tokens. This is the price. This is the ICO price. You don't have to say that's the ICO price. This is just this person's choice here. As we can see, they want to get this and they only want to do it with an escrow. So what may happen is somebody may try and contact Marsha and try to be an admin, well, pretend to be an admin. And how can you actually find out who's an admin? Well, here on the top right, or sorry, on the right hand side of the channel, you can see all the different admins, right? There are 5 of them with their usernames, and some people will actually try to change a specific letter or maybe add a number or replace a letter with a number to pretend to be that admin just so that they can take advantage of you and steal your coins. And this is how many people have been scammed. So in this specific case, Tom Chili is the admin. It actually says owner here on the top right hand corner. So of course the best way when you find somebody that wants to buy your token or coin, and then they ask you, hey, I'm interested, but can you go to this other Telegram group and do the swap because I don't trust the escrows in this specific group. Never ever do that, because this here is a legit group. It's actually, I've known these guys for some time. I know they're legit. I can vouch for them, and they're actually partnered with Switcho, which is a hybrid exchange. I've done many demos on Switcho. Check them out on my channel. There's also one on the OTC information as well and the functionality. And for any trades which are too large to be handled on the OTC website, on the actual Switcho website, in the OTC features page, you can actually conduct them on this Telegram group. Not to mention coins or tokens that are not listed on Switcho can be done here. So again, just to reiterate, you can see that he's the owner, and again, it's the same with these guys. They actually show up as admins. So on the top right hand corner, here's an example here. Admin, this is actually a combat. So there are many people here which are posting messages, right? So you got to be very careful with that, right? That you don't get. So basically what you do is Let me go back to him here. Okay, so I click on his photo. I have a look at it. I see he's a moderator at Neo English, Neo Blockchain. This is his username. I validate it, chill it, okay, with 2 capital L's. Close it. You can see this is the one, and you can just basically click on that and it'll open up a private chat with him just so that you can confirm it. But apparently, and I actually got this from him earlier, somebody tried to scam someone from the group by pretending to be him. And you can see, you could spot the difference, right? There are 3 capital L's. 3 capital L's, and if we go and look back at his, 2 capital L's. Everything else is exactly the same. So exactly the same photo, everything exactly the same, even the Australian flag, everything, right? So this is a great example here of a scammer trying to take advantage, pretending to be an admin. So you got to be very careful, and this could actually happen to you on Twitter too, not only on Telegram, but it mostly happens on Telegram because it is the biggest platform when it comes to cryptocurrencies and communication with different crypto groups, trying to learn new things about them when new features are out and other stuff like that. So this is the sort of stuff you got to be very careful of, right? So again, when you're interested in selling something in this group, post a message. Once you get a person pinging you saying they're interested, okay, perfect, let's do it. Post a message in the public group and ping all the admins if necessary, or just ask if there's any admin available. But the ideal thing would be to actually tag all these admins by copying and pasting all of their usernames here, and whoever is available is going to respond to you, because that way you're certain that an admin is going to reply back, because of course you're going to see it in the main group. They're going to be like, yeah, sure, how can I help you? And you're going to say, perfect, I have this trade, I want to conduct it, can you please help us? Let's do it. So you ping the admin, you open the private chat, he's also going to bring the other person in, and you can get started with the trade. So that's pretty cool stuff, and that can make sure that keeps you safe, right? And you're not going to get scammed, because this is very important within the cryptocurrency space when it's new and people don't really understand these basic concepts. And I'm seeing people time and time again get scammed. So this is really the reason why I wanted to do this video, to try and help you understand what it's all about. So that was it. If you found value in this video, please hit that like, I'd much appreciate it, and subscribe if you're new here. That was it from today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.